The part 3 on isotopes. Let's go. Still on calculation. An element S has 2 isotopes. This is at the board. So the first isotope is 6. This is the element X. It has an isotope of 6, 3, and another one X, mass number of A, and proton number or atomic number of 3. A sample of S contains 80% of this. So you have 80% of this. Calculate the value of A if the relative atomic mass of S is 6.8. Now remember, we already said this. This is a formula, right? Atomic mass unit is M1 P1 plus M2 P2. And already this is 1, this is 2. They already give you P2 to be 0.8. Remember from the part 2 of the video, I told you whenever you have it in percentage that you have to divide by 100. And so from this, remember I said P1 plus P2 must be equals to 1. So if they give you P2, already you can get your P1. So from here, P1 is equals to 1 minus P2. So this is 1 minus 0.8. And that will give you 0.2. Right? Now, all you need to do is substitute it into this equation and your answer will flow naturally. Remember, I want to calculate the value of A. You already have the atomic mass unit. So this is 6.8 is equal to your M1 is 6 times your P1 is 0.2 plus, open bracket, your M1 here is, your M2 is A. Your P2 is 0.8. And so if you times everything together, 6 times 0.2 should give you 6.8. That should give you 6.8. Why this one will give you 0. So this is 6.8. 6. This will give you 0.8A. This is 6.8. It's equals to 6 times 0.2. Let me punch it. That will give you 12. This should give you 12. So all you need to do is collect like terms. So 0.8A is equals to 6.8 minus 6.8 is equal to, this is 12. So we'll collect like terms. Let me check my, oh my goodness. So in this question, this is 1.2. So this is 1.2. And so 0.8 is equal to 6.8 minus 1.2. So 6.8 minus 1.2, you should get 5.6. 5.6, and if you divide it by 0.8, your total answer should give you 7. So the value of A is 7. So from here, A is equal to 7.